Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are all doing fine. Okay. So in lesson number 1, we have learned about the different foods that came from plants and animals. And also we have learned about the ingredients. Yes? So in this lesson, we are going to learn about the nutrients present in the ingredients. Okay? So in the last session, I have told you the example of carrot halwa. Yes? Can you remember the ingredients, children? Yes. So I have given so many ingredients and its nutrients also. Yes? Okay. So let us go to our today's session. Why do we need to take nutrients? Why? Who need it? Yes. Nutrients are the ingredients contain some components that are needed by our body. Okay. So we want to grow. Yes. And we need to do our daily activities. Yes or no? Yes. If you are a student, you need to learn, write, play, everything. And if I am a teacher, I want to teach, write, cook, everything. So to do that, we need energy. So to get that energy, we must eat food. So the food can be eaten in different forms, with different ingredients and with different nutrients. Those foods have different nutrients. Okay. So for example, if your car want to run or want to operate car engine want to operate, you need to give some fuel as of petrol or diesel. Yes, then only it can move. See, likewise, to get energy, we are eating different nutrients. Okay, so the nutrients are the ingredients that contain some components needed by our body. Our body only needs nutrients. Okay, and can you remember, children, I have shown you some different organs need different nutrients. Yes or no? Yes. How can you keep your brain sharp? Yes, by keeping walnut. Yes. Here, a healthy person needs 7 types of nutrients. Shall we see what are the children? Yes. The first one is carbohydrate, then fat, then proteins, then vitamins. The next is minerals, then dietary fibers, then last is water. So these are the 7 nutrients are needed by our body. Let me tell you what is carbohydrate, children. Yes, the carbohydrate can be in form of 2 forms. Starch, sugar. Starch அப்படினா என்னன்னா நம்ம என்ன பொருள் சாப்பிட்டாலும் மாவு மாதிரி மாறுது இல்லையா, அதுதான் ஸ்டார்ச் கண்டென்ட் ஃபுட்னு சொல்லுவோம். எக்ஸாம்பிள் ரைஸ், பிரெட், இதெல்லாம் வந்து நம்ம சாப்பிடும்போது ஒரு கூழ் மாதிரி ஆகும் இல்லையா. எஸ், தட் இஸ் வாட் ஸ்டார்ச் கண்டென்ட் ஃபுட். சுகர், யூஸ்வலி we can see sugars in a ஃப்ரூட்ஸ். எஸ், நேச்சுரலாகவே ஃப்ரூட்ஸில் வந்து சுகர் இருக்கும் இல்லையா. எஸ், அண்ட் ஹனி. எஸ், லைக் தோஸ். அண்ட் ஃபேட்ஸ், ஃபேட்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் ஆயில் கண்டென்ட் ஃபுட். You can take ghee and what are the foods? Cheese, then oil, groundnut oil, coconut oil, oil content. என்ன பலகாரம் ஆர் என்ன சம்மந்தப்பட்ட ஃபுட் எல்லாமே ஃபேட் ஃபுட்ஸ். ஓகே, what do you mean by proteins? So proteins means they help us to grow. Okay, so அம்மா வீட்டில் சொல்லுவாங்க, ஏன் ஸ்நாக்ஸு சாப்பிடாம வர, ஸ்நாக்ஸ்க்கு வந்து சப்போஸ் பருப்பு இல்லாட்டி சுண்டல் இந்த மாதிரி வச்சுருந்துருப்பாங்க, சாப்பிடாம போனால் ஏன் சாப்பிடல, இதெல்லாம் சாப்பிட்டா தானே நல்லா பெரிய ஆளாக வளர முடியும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா. எஸ், மோஸ்ட்லி cereals, grains, those are the protein foods. Okay, and vitamins and minerals. Vitamins, mostly the vegetables and fruits. And minerals also can be found in some spices. Spicesனா என்னன்னா வாசனை பொருள்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, க்ளோவ்ஸ், cinnamon அந்த மாதிரி பொருள்கள்லையும் சில fruits and some vegetables. It can be found in some fruits and vegetables. And okay, dietary fibers, what are they doing? And children, what protein is doing? Yes, it is make us to grow. Okay, what are the role of vitamin and mineral? Yes, see, some people, if for example, if any fever is spreading, some people won't get affected. Yes, why? So they have immunity power. Okay, so who are all eating vitamins and minerals, fruits and vegetables more, they will not be able to get affected by the viruses. So they have immunity power. So vitamins and minerals are giving immunity power to our body. Dietary fibers. What is meant by dietary fibers? See, it increases our weight and makes our stool it makes our stool soft. See, whatever the waste particles we are releasing out, it should not be very hard. So it makes soft and letting them out. And water, see, it keeps our body temperature. It maintains our body temperature. So the 7 nutrients are regulating our body. Okay, can you understand, children? Yes. So let me give an example, children. Okay, start from the top picture. So it is a carbohydrate example. Can you see what it is? Yes, rice, bread, corn, wheat. Yes, இந்த எல்லாத்தையும் நம்ம சாப்பிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா ஒரு கூழ் மாதிரி ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். This is starch food. Okay, and if you feel so hungry, what will you eat? Will you prefer to eat rice or juice? Yes, rice. சாப்பிட்டா அரிசி சாதம் சாப்பிட்டா தான் வயிறு நிறையும் இல்லையா? So those that they are called carbohydrate food. Rice is a carbohydrate food. So the carbohydrate and fat, they combinedly gives energy to our body. Clear? Carbohydrate and fat, they give energy to our body. And coming to the left side, the second picture is, you can see, what are the pictures you can see? Fat picture. Okay, what are the items, what are the food items you can see? Yes, olive oil, coconut oil, groundnut oil, ghee, likewise. Yes, okay, so this is a fat food. Okay, and coming to the next, what is it, children? This food makes you to grow. Yes, protein food. Okay, what are the food items are there? Egg, milk, fish and meat. These are the proteins will make you to grow. Okay, coming to the next one. Yes, vitamin foods. What is that? It is very so cool to see, no? Yes, it looks very colorful. What are they? Vegetables and fruits. Yes, and coming to the next, minerals. So it is a mixture of many food items are there. Some is apple, banana, capsicum, egg, green leaves. It is a multiple food item that has minerals. And coming to next one, dietary fibers. Usually if you have a motion problem, what your mother tells to eat? Yes, your mother advise you to take more fruits, especially banana. வாழைப்பழம் சாப்பிட்டா உங்களுக்கு அந்த ஸ்டொமக் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ்லாம் வராதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா? It is a work of dietary fiber. And the last one is water. Yes, so nowadays we are drinking water for what purpose? Yes, to maintain our body. But nowadays we are drinking purified water. See, even water also has some nutrients. So while purifying, while processing in purifier, the nutrients are getting spoiled. So children, try to avoid drinking purified water. Just drink as it is, the whichever water coming from your tap, that is, or you have taken from river, that is okay. Then clean it, filter it and boil it and drink it. Okay, children? Yes, so these are the examples of nutrients. Okay, so I repeat, carbohydrate and fat are the energy giving foods, proteins are the body building foods, and vitamins and minerals are the protective foods, which are the foods giving immunity. Okay, the next one, do all food has nutrients? நம்ம கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ண முடியுமா இந்த ஃபுட்டில் இந்த நியூட்ரியன் தான் இருக்குன்னு நமக்கு எப்படி தெரியும்? Yes, we cannot say as it is. Yes, so that we need to do 3 tests: starch test, fat test, protein test. Okay, so in this I want to say one thing, because a complete dish, a food, complete foodல நிறைய ingredients இருக்கும் இல்லையா, அந்த குக்குடோ இல்லை ராவோ ஒவ்வொரு ingredientsகுள்ளேயும் many type of nutrients will be available. Okay, so cooked or raw ingredients has one or more nutrients. For example, milk அப்படின்னு எடுத்தோம்னா அதில் ப்ரோட்டீனும் இருக்கும், விட்டமின் டியும் இருக்கும் இல்லையா. ஸோ likewise one ingredient has one or more nutrients. I repeat, a cooked or raw ingredients has one or more nutrients. Okay, yes, how to do the starch test, children? எப்படி அந்த ஃபுட்டை வந்து ஸ்டார்ச் அப்படின்னாவே கன்ஃபார்மாக கார்போஹைட்ரேட்டாக தான் இருக்கும் இல்லையா. இப்போ அந்த ஃபுட்டு கார்போஹைட்ரேட் தான் நம்ம எப்படி கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுறது? ஹவு கேன் வி கன்ஃபார்ம்? எஸ், ஃபார் தட் யூ நீட் டு டேக் சம் tincture iodine, test tube, water, potato, rice or bread, anything. Okay, potato, rice and bread are the samples, food samples. Okay, if the test tube is not available, you can just take any ceramic tile. Okay, tiles வீட்டில் இருக்குள்ளே உடஞ்சி போன கல், that you can take that. Okay, okay, shall we see how to do? Yes, take test tube or a ceramic or tile. Okay, half fill the water. If you are taking test tube, half fill the water in the test tube. Okay, pour tincture iodine drop by drop. Okay, now the iodine solution is ready. You can get the tincture solution in the medical shops. You can get it and mix with water. Now the iodine solution is ready. We need this iodine solution to test the starch content. Okay, now take a piece of potato and keep on a test tube or tile. Okay, now drop those iodine solution on potato. What is the color of the potato? Yes, it is light sandal, no children? Yes, after pouring the iodine solution, the potato changes the color into blue black color. Blue black color. If the potato changes the color into blue black color, this potato has a starch. So this potato is a carbohydrate food. By this we can conclude potato is a carbohydrate food. Okay, so like this you can test any other food sample, children. Okay, okay children, so with this we will conclude this session, and let us see about the remaining 2 tests tomorrow. So if you have any doubt, feel free to call us. Thank you children.